Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to install the YouTube app on your Windows PC using Brave browser. Let's dive right in. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it loads up, navigate to the address bar at the top and type youtube.com, then hit enter. This will take you directly to the YouTube website where you'll be able to access the installation feature. The page should load up with all the familiar YouTube content you're used to seeing. Now, once you're on YouTube, look towards the upper right corner of your browser window. You'll see a computer icon sitting near the top right area of the screen. This icon is specifically designed for installing web apps directly to your system, which makes accessing YouTube much faster in the future. Go ahead and click on that computer icon to proceed. After clicking the computer icon, a small prompt or menu will appear. At the top of this prompt, you'll see an option that says Install. This is the button that will actually install YouTube as a standalone app on your Windows PC. Click on Install to begin the installation process. Once you click Install, Brave will quickly process the installation and add YouTube as an app to your computer. This means you'll be able to launch YouTube directly from your desktop or Start menu without having to open your browser first and navigate to the website every time. It creates a more streamlined experience and makes YouTube feel like a native application on your system. And that's it. You've successfully installed the YouTube app on your Windows PC using Brave browser. Now you can access YouTube anytime with just a single click from your installed apps. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.